जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम everyone. Today we are moving to discuss the questions with respect to the board examination as per ALP in 2021. Chemistry 10th class. First chapter is chemical equilibrium. Among that chapter we have first of all the main topics like what is dynamic equilibrium, explain its graphical representation, law of mass action, application of Kc. Then we have chapter number 2, acid, bases and salts. In that chapter we have Bronsted concept of acid and base on page number 22 and 23, Lewis concept, chemical properties of acid, precipitation reactions of hydroxide on page number 30, calculation of pH, indicators, define salt, explain its properties. And then we have chapter number 11, classification of organic compounds, homologous series, functional group along with examples. Then we have chapter number 12, preparation of alkanes, oxidation of ethyne by KMnO4. In the similar way, we have chapter number 13. In that chapter, we have define carbohydrate, explain monosaccharides, then what are protein, explain peptide linkage, then lipids are the short question on page number 106. Then we have chapter number next, that is chapter number 14, very important chapter. Define pollutants, explain their types or types of pollutant, that is primary and secondary pollutant on page number 121 and 122. Then we have acid rain and its effect, very important long question. Then ozone depletion and its effect. Then in chapter number 15 we have polarity of water molecule, then methods to remove temporary hardness, method to remove permanent hardness of water on page number 142. Then we have effects of water pollution, then at least 5 waterborne diseases on page number 147 and 148. Then if we talk about chapter number 16, that is chemical industries, in that chapter we have the first question, define concentration of ore, explain its method. Then we have electrolytic refining of copper, then Solvay's process complete along with its importance. Then at the last we have status and importance of urea. These are the main component of that book in with respect to the board examination. Wish you very good luck. Okay, thank you, Allah Hafiz.